Good morning, ladies. Happy Monday to you. Thought I'd share a little recipe for you here and bring in another nutritional concept called add before you subtract. So I know that you're looking at this and you're thinking, what in God's name does she have in there? And it is broccoli. But before you turn your nose up in disgust, let's talk a little bit about your come up here. When you are looking to recreate yourself, when you're looking to start anew. And I don't care if this is a straight up health and fitness goal or if you are amidst like a very turbulent time in your life and you're at a transition point that may not be horrific, but maybe, it's just a change in station of your life. There's so many things that are going on inside of a woman's body that when you support yourself nutritionally, you can move through those periods with grace. And you can also do this while looking your best without looking like you got run over by a truck. I know that, people may be surprised, we all have health and fitness goals, but we all like to look good. You know what I'm saying? Like, have you ever looked in the mirror and you're like, oh my God, have I looked like this all day long? It doesn't have to be like that. You just have to learn a couple tricks on how to support yourself when you're moving through periods of change, whether they're good, whether they're bad, whether they're, indifferent, whatever. So here's a quick little recipe for you and a nutrition tip. Okay, so this recipe is actually a protein shake, and the nutrition tip is add before you subtract. Now, ladies, let me ask you a question. Are you in the habit, let's say you're trying to clean up your health and fitness and you're trying to eat better, and all of a sudden you just go through and it's like you take a red marker and you slash out all of the quote unquote bad things that are in your diet, and you're like getting rid of everything. You're getting rid of carbs, you're getting rid of sugars, you're getting rid of starchy foods, you're cutting calories, and you're going without. And we get in the habit of constantly reducing and restricting. And what ends up happening is, number one, when you take radical steps like that, it actually makes your body react radically. Okay, like for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. But the other thing is this. When you train yourself, this is what I've learned, both myself as a woman, but coaching women, is that when you train yourself, which is really what it is, to go without and get rid of and move into essentially what's a scarcity mentality. Like, I can't have that, that's bad. It starts to do things psychologically to you that maybe you're going to have some short-term goals and achievements, but what happens is that when you let off the gas pedal on that mentality, you usually bounce back the other way, and not in a good way. And I'm sure you've seen this if you've ever been on like the yo-yo diet where you've lost a good amount of weight and then all of a sudden people say like, oh, I fell off the wagon, or I was on the yo-yo diet, and then you've gained back all the weight that you've lost plus some. What you have to remember is that your body reacts and responds to whatever it is that you do. So when I coach and train women, especially, you'll know as soon as you sit down with me in a consultative form that I do a lot of question asking. I like to know where you have come from in terms of your diet habits, in terms of your exercise habits, and I really hone in on some of the psychological factors, because what I have found, and this has been myself too, is that we've picked up some really, really, really shitty habits when it comes to how we fuel ourselves and how we nourish ourselves, but more importantly, like how we talk to ourselves internally. Now, I don't do couch time. It's not like I do not do coaching with codependency. We don't go into like the delves of it. All I want to know is, have you been on a yo-yo diet train? Have you ever done like extreme dieting? Okay, and if you're eating less than 1,200 calories a day, let's call that extreme dieting. Let's just be very, very simple about it. But I'm going to tell you, like, your mood follows your food. So when you move into scarcity mode, then yeah, then your mood goes into scarcity mode. And then it's like, I can't have that and I can't have that. And all that happens is it makes you want it even more. And it doesn't have to be that way. So when you coach and train with me, and even on our upcoming nutrition course that we're going to be hosting on January 28th, it's going to be next Monday. It's actually live stream, and then we'll keep it up as a recording. So if you can't attend it that day, then you're going to be able to watch it. We talk about add before you subtract. And what that means is what you're seeing in this shake right here is you start to add in nutrients before you take your red marker and start slashing things out. And this works in so many ways. Now, let's look at this little shake, because I know that maybe you're like, no. I'm going to tell you something about frozen broccoli and having it in a protein shake is that when you blend it up, you actually can't taste it. And you want to pick a frozen broccoli that actually tastes good and it tastes sweet. I use just a generic one that I find at Jewel. But you want to make sure that you taste it so it's not bitter from the get-go. But when you blend it up in your shake and use it frozen, it makes your shake super thick. And it also makes your shake super sweet. Now here's the hidden thing, is that broccoli is a super vegetable. And so it starts adding in just a boatload of nutrients. And what happens is you start nourishing your body from the inside out. And you start changing yourself physiologically. You start changing how your cells are operating. Because it's more than what you look like on the outside. You have to remember, like, I know people like roll their eyes like, oh, Nicole's just a science geek. You know what? I am. And that's actually why I'm such a strong coach, is because I understand how the body works. The body heals from the inside out. You're nodding your head because it totally makes sense, okay? You can't like cheat physiology. It's just how it works. So work with how your body works. So when you have something in the morning, like a protein shake, what it's going to do is it's going to get into your system. You know, breakfast is one of the most important meals of the day because you haven't been eating throughout the course of the night. You're breaking the fast. Breakfast, breaking the fast. But now we're injecting like a boatload of like super nutrients, and we're adding protein in there so that you start to also support your skin. You start to support your energy levels. There's a little bit of flax in there too, so you have those nice healthy fats. And that's actually one of the secrets to sparking your metabolism for the day, but also doing those corrective changes that have to occur at the cellular level in order to do things like normalizing and stabilizing your hormones, to do things like allowing your body to actually trust you so that it will release fat from your frame, to do things like muscle building, which is a requisite for a woman, because once you pass the age of like 25, I think that's when they actually start losing muscle every single year. And I mean, we're living a long time. You can't afford to be without some sort of muscle on your frame because you need them to actually move and live. Not to mention that they make beautiful, beautiful curves with how, clothes sit on your frame. So we're going to cover a lot of all this stuff in that next training, which is, again, it's going to be on January the 28th. But when you blend this up, it's going to be super, super thick. It's going to be super, super delicious. You can actually use a spoon to eat it. But one little thing you are totally going to want to, either if you're taking this on the road with you, make sure that you're bringing your toothbrush with you, because you're going to get those little pieces of broccoli in your teeth and it will not be attractive. All right, ladies, make sure that you're signing up for that course. You can go straight to our website. It's transformationgold.org. Click on the fitness division. And then once you go into there, you're going to see the place where you can shop. It's called the store. And you just sign yourself up for that. And then I'll be emailing you the links and we'll be on that training. Again, that's going to be next Monday. All right, make it a great day, everybody. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.